All right, back in business, baby. That's a PRZ on the MACV, but MACV Ultimate, surround green, and neutral. Yeah, I haven't really had the time, but I do plan to change this scene in OBS so that you all can see the tide and wave. I'm gonna go ahead and try this out.
Orders.
Yeah, I can't really stick around very long because I have some stuff that I need to be doing today. So this is like a really late entry, but I'm just trying to get a trade in and want to see if this follows through. But yeah, this would be trade one for the DCDM that came in on King timing. Uh, but yeah, I wanted to show something really
Thank you.
cool. Okay. Hold on, let me. That starts breaking. It keeps breaking. I'm gonna add to it. Break that short because I do remember Vinny saying that broken harmonics can be very powerful. Okay, he broke that shirt. Mm. Profit targets at the goal line. Move it down. I'm gonna let it keep going to the goal line. I'm not gonna let that phase me. Okay, almost, almost. Yeah.
Order submitted.
Wait. Oh, I should just leave this here.
Please. Order submitted.
I just noticed that there's a divergence triangle on the MACV. If something green, okay, red dot here, but if something green comes up, hmm,
Russell on the Tuesday.
focus, focus. Okay, so we got a ladder going here. There we go. Look like the harmonic's gonna break. If I get a dot or a cross, closing it, I'm out.
Order filled.
Mm,
Home.
Nah, I'm good. I'll take that. So that is up to 144 for that first trade. Now, yeah, so I wanted to show you all something cool, and I think that this. Oh, see, that cross came in. Yeah, and there's a butterfly harmonic on the sisters. We had a delta level here. Divergence triangle just came a little while before. So something green comes in, a PRZ. Now, I was still adding because I liked how the harmonics were breaking. So that gave me added confidence. Ooh, PRZ cost. It probably might be a good loan to take. Mavi ultimate is neutral.
Order submitted.
Let's see. You wanna go down right when I enter? Okay. All right. Trade number 2. Now, oh yeah. Appreciate it, Roberto. Yeah, that's the thing that we say around the AlgoBox crew. Get you some. When the market is handing out bags, get you some. And also, fun fact about why was a good loan to take outside of the PLG cross. Gold line reversals. Gold line reversal. I'm pretty sure Vinny just talked about that in one of his recent videos. But anyway, I got distracted. So this is something interesting that I wanted to show for people who, trying to get their initial funds started through these trader funding companies, especially if you're working a job where it would take you too long to adequately fund your own account, like in my case. So yeah, this is something. Wait, hold on. Do I? Yeah. So this is something cool, and notice how I changed the profit target to small. Usually it's on a big, and I feel confident using big ATMs because ones and twos you keep your profit target with the small ATM, and then fours and fives and up, that's big. And in my case, sometimes I actually like to, if I see a play on the sixes, I actually like to use bigger because of the increased volatility in the Nasdaq. But that's just me personally. And the threes is kind of a gray area where it can be twos or threes. I mean, it can be small or big ATM. But yeah, this is what I wanted to show people using trader funding companies trading through Rhythmic. This is a window from our Trader Pro called the order book. And I don't have my account selected right now. But you can select because there's another window here. And this is how I used to do it before. You have a position open here. So when your position is open, this square is red where the white is. And then you have to press it. Yeah, we're in a period of accumulation right now. So yeah, usually you have to press this S and then you have to go through pop-up windows before our Trader Pro will close your position. And I didn't realize this, but
Nasdaq on the freeze.
in my recent mishaps with the TikTok trader stuff, I just went back to the search engine and
NASDAQ on the 5.
like Google how to flatten all in AlgoTrader Pro or whatever, and I did find out that the flatten all in AlgoTrader Pro won't work like in NinjaTrader where you can just flatten all positions in any account. Oh, see, look at me talking when I could be doing this. It won't work where it'll flatten all positions in any account in any instrument.
Russell on the 2.
So I can select one account in the drop down field, but I have the Replicanto trade copier. So anything that I do with the leader account will be replicated in my follow account. So that's okay for me. So I select the instrument that I'm trading. So I'm on micros. Because remember, here and then I selected the input series as micros for the chart trader that I'm using. And yeah, so now instead of having to press these S buttons in the position window, which I still keep it open just to check to see if I have a position open when I press the close. I want to make sure that everything grayed out. And now with this, instead of having to go through a pop-up window, I can just press cancel all, and 100% it will your position will always close. Well, I can't say always. That's been my experience, that the position will always close. The only downside is, I had to have a window open for each instrument. So I use Mesh tool, and I just make little small boxes for each one of these, and I just have them off to the side. And if something's up, then I can just go over, find the instrument, press cancel all, and boom. So that's just a pro tip for people who are working with Rhythmic, with these trader funding companies. CQG hasn't really given me these kinds of problems before, but the same way that we have contingency plans in place when we're trading live, like having your broker on speed dial in case your system crashes and you want to close the position. As a trader, it's your responsibility to make sure that you have contingency plans in place. So this is how you can cover all of your bases. So yeah, let me get back to trading. But I just wanted to offer some helpful advice. All right, there we go. Now I have 3 trades left, and I'm up about 177. Cool. I would have taken that. I would have taken this, and then I will only have 1 trade left. But I still want to use this as an opportunity to. I still want to use it as an opportunity to be helpful. Let me get the music going, and let's trade.
On the map feed.
When you want to get off that darkest ground, but gravity pulls you straight down. Earth from a bird's eye view. You should go
Oh, we have an HMD. We have an HMD on the NASDAQ tide. But remember that this is FOMC. So I don't know if I can really count on that to give a powerful push. Like, it does have some influence, but on FOMC day, we're trading towards the golden ropes, and right now on the tide, just pull it over here. Yeah, we're in the golden ropes. So this would have been better, and it actually did happen here. But if this was away from the golden ropes, if that was away from the golden ropes, then
You got NASDAQ on the
Order submitted.
I'm radioactive. I'm waking up to
Film.
oh, you so make them say I'm acting crazy. Trade number 3. What happened to my performance? What do you mean what happened to my performance? I don't know what you mean by that. I mean, I guess if you were talking about
yes on the was
day 6. Man, what was I saying about the tide? See, I'm trying to keep track of everything that's on my mind. On FOMC day, we trade toward the golden ropes. That red HMD was there, but I wasn't too concerned about taking a short at that time, at the time that I took the trade, because we were already in the golden ropes now, so price could play around a bit there. I don't know if I'm just describing this right. And oh, the thumbnail of my current video. A lot of time that's just I make a new thumbnail after I finish the current video that I'm doing. I'm not a professional YouTuber or anything like that. If I would, then I would be more serious about this, and I would make a thumbnail beforehand. But this morning time, I wake up, I brush my teeth, and then I come down here and get ready to trade. And I just spruce up the YouTube stuff after the fact when I have free time. Yeah. But so this is day 8. And pause a little while I'm talking. So this is day 8, and so day 6. Yo, day 6, I was just acting a fool. Straight up. No ifs, ands, or buts about that. I made my profit target. I was 1,000, 2,000 over my profit target. I switched over to the micro, so my risk is so much lower. I'm just like, bro, I don't even care, man. I'm just clicking. I just want to see what happens. But toward the end of the video, you saw me reflecting, I was like, okay, I can't do that again, because that could easily turn to me building bad habits. So I got it together, and yesterday that was me trading the system more or less the way it's supposed to be traded. 5 to 6 trades, and then you're out. If you're red, then okay, you accept that, and then you come back for another session. Am I gonna take this shirt?
Pick off. Russell on the twos.
Nah, I'll let it go. But what was I saying? Yeah, 5 to 6 trades, and then if you're red, you accept that, and then you get yourself together, come back for another session with your mind right. Because, and I've done this before, it's very easy to just say, F this, I don't want to take that loss, and you just keep trading, trying to dig yourself out of that hole.
NASDAQ.
And because you're mentally disturbed from this loss, you're getting emotional, not trading what the system is telling you that you should be doing, blowing accounts. Just like that. So, I was down 400. I wanted to keep trading, but I did 5 or 6 trade. I don't remember exactly.
Pick off.
One of those.
On the fives.
And see, how can I see that I just double dot? All red MACV though. Nah. We're in the golden ropes. I'll wait for a better opportunity. Oh, appreciate it. KK can't. So, losing my train of thought. Yeah, you just accept that,
Pick off. NASDAQ. On the
because
fives.
if you let your emotion get the best of you, you can very easily blow accounts. I kind of want to take this, but it's back and forth. I think I'll feel more comfortable waiting for larger king timing. Yeah, so yeah, just you're down after your 5 to 6 trades are up. You accept that, because if you keep going, there's a very real possibility that you could blow your account. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I keep thinking if I had something else to add, but that's pretty much it. So, back to trading. Oh, cool. I didn't even realize it. I'm up 229. About 230. I'm up 230 now on 3 trades.
Double cross ES on the ones. Pick off. NASDAQ. On the fives.
Oh, I tell you. On my first payout, I'm already imagining. On my first payout, I'm already imagining. I like. Oh, wait, hold on. I really like this song. I never listened to it before, but I really like this song. Man, when I get my first payout, I should
Good dog. Nastya on the freeze.
I should like announce it or something, shouldn't I? And then I'll have this song playing in the background. Bro, this song gets me lit. This song is so good. I can feel it coming in the air tonight. Yeah, you are 100% right. This is an accumulation zone. Thanks for pointing that out. So now I feel better about sticking out of this and telling myself that I will feel more comfortable waiting for large and king timing. Large or king timing.
Good dog. Nastya on the freeze.
Oh, red MACV still. This Delta still pushing though. Pushing right through that. Yo, Roberto. I love your energy. I love your energy, man.
Good dog. Nastya on the freeze.
I kind of want to say that's close enough to be an HMD, but it's not. Now, if this dot came after the PRZ and then popped up right here, then I would have seen that as a potential HMD. But it came before. I'm not so confident that I would qualify that as an HMD. Shark over here. Double delta. Looking for a blue bar.
Submitted.
Oh man. Trade number 4. What?
Order submitted. Order submitted.
I'm so far behind on that. Oh man. Is this really gonna happen? I should close 50% right now. Do as I say, not as I do. No. I'm trading bad right now. Is this cherry 5? Yeah, this is cherry 5. Because I took this right after this shark. Oh my goodness. A divergent triangle just popped up right after this red headshot. You are kidding me, man.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
Come on.
Good dog. Nastya.
Oh. Don't make me do it. Is it gonna do it? If it pop up, then I have to close.
Good dog.
Oh. Took me out, man. I got faked. That can happen. Yeah. You know, I need to reflect on this trade right here, because I feel like I went straight to the sale as soon as this headshot popped up, but I think that
On the Tuesday.
when when I saw that my entry was all the way down here,
Tip off. Nasdaq on the MACD.
I should have immediately closed instead of hoping that it would break.
Tip off. On the freeze.
Yeah, so especially when it pops up right after you enter into a trade. I'm like, oh my gosh, are you serious right now, bro? But yeah, so this is something good for me to reflect on. Okay. Oh, come on. So we have a red HMD on the MACD, green HMD on the sisters. Feel like this will overpower these because MACD ultimately red still. So, which is also why I was holding out hope that this would break. But what was I saying? Oh yeah. So when I saw that, and this, it's always good to reflect on a trade when you messing up, when you realize that you messed up. I think that when I saw that my entry, even though I felt like I reacted pretty fast, I think that when I saw that my entry was so far away from where it should have been, which is right at the red dot. So I thought I reacted fast enough. Obviously I didn't. Then if this green dot popped up, oh yeah, I am using Flowmaster. Probably about Flowmaster. I mean, I have it on, but I use the church more than I use AudioBox. But yeah, my entry was here, and if the green dot came in right after, then I should have taken that as a sign to exit. That was the system telling me,
No matter where you
get out.
free pickup, you get the same great deals.
And it especially didn't help that my entry was so far away. So I think with those two factors combined,
Start your cart with the Kroger app.
I should have been more quick to leave and not try to
$5 order minimum restriction.
hold out hope.
Subject to availability.
Choose from a great selection of digital coupons and use them up to 5 times in one transaction. Check our app for details. Kroger, fresh for everyone.
Everyone gets AT&T's best deal on the amazing new iPhone 14 Pro. Everyone. So people currently listening to jazz. People who hate jazz because they don't understand jazz. People who say they do understand jazz and that's why they hate jazz. People pretending to like jazz because their ex like jazz. The point is, everyone gets our best deals on every iPhone. Get the new iPhone 14 Pro on us. Visit att.com for details. But no jazz. Offers vary by device.
Yeah, that sound was
I'm Tom Shane with
that
Shane.
sound was the shirt
Have you ever considered
on the
what
MACD.
natural diamond means to the communities where diamonds come from? Natural diamonds support the livelihood of 10 million people around
I'll
the
try
world.
for
They
a sit
provide safe, high-quality
trade
jobs in diamond mining
to see
including
if
South Africa, Botswana, Angola, and
I can come out on the day positive, because that last
recovered. To learn more,
mess up
visit
right here
Shane.com/natural
took back
diamonds.
all of my profits,
Friend in the jewelry
and
business, Shane Company and ShaneCo.com.
now I'm down $60. So I was up like 200 or something. Now I'm down 60. So that would have meant that I was up 2,000 and now I'm down 600. So taking away $2,000 net profit. I'm disappointed in how I handled that, but I'll reflect on that and acknowledge where I messed up. I would much rather trade after the FOMC or blue line. It looks like it.
$75.
What are you waiting for? Fitting in, fitting out, on the edge of paradise. Every inch of your skin is a holy grail I've gotta find. Only you can set my heart on fire,
Those are too far apart.
fire.
I feel like it'll probably still go to that goal line though.
'Cause I'm just thinking straight. My head's spinning around.
Support. Yeah. I was I was wondering what you meant, but
Love me like you do. Love me like you do.
yeah,
Love me like you do.
that does look like support.
Touch me like you do. Touch me like you do. What are you waiting for? Love me like you do. Love me like you do. Love me like you do.
Nice step on the threes.
Order submitted.
What are you waiting
Order found.
Pick off. Here on the west.
Pick up. Order found. Order submitted.
This is not smart. I'm going against this red. Oh, jeez. The red dot on the MACB. Close out half of that. Gotta respect the red dot. I gotta respect the red dot.
Order.
Say that like a pro. Ah. All right, that was a retry of the set trade. That was cool. That was cool.
It's me.
That was cool. Yeah, I really didn't want to half out because of the red dot, but I mean, I didn't want to half out when the red dot popped up here, but you really had to respect it because there was already a red dot on the MACB. Half out, came down, but it bounced right back up. When the blue bars came in, retry, and it popped up over where the red dot was, so I added some more. Then red alpha omega reticle came in. Had to get out. I want to keep trading, but I'm gonna walk away. So that was 84 down, $84. Ah. I mean, yeah, that's absolute point. Now, oh, you said divergence on the MACB. I mean, yeah, there's divergence now. I don't see divergence. Oh, you were talking about this divergence that could have provided like some extra support for this long. Yeah, possibly. Yeah. Yeah, because but a lot of times I try to not hold on to it if I see that price had gone past it. Then
on the threes.
I try to let that go. But I think definitely if price come back up to that level, you could probably give it some more weight. So Stop talking. I need to go to work.
Ever make it out of that town where nothing ever happens? It's no secret that the both of us are running out of time. So hello from the other side. I must have called 1,000 times to tell
All right, here we go. So, those were some pretty good trades. I know, even if you on my P&L right now, boom, 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 $9,577.84. But that's when I messed up. I believe on day 6 when I was just trading all willy-nilly. On my other accounts, I'm up like $10,500. And so there's $1,000 difference, but that's not because of the trade copier. That's just me acting stupid. Like once I reach the profit target, and I just like, bro, I don't. Man, let me just click. But I got out of that. That was one day. And I just switched to micros. I was like, bro, this is nothing.
Good go. Master, on the freeze.
Bad idea. So yeah. So 2 accounts, I'm up to 10,500, and one account, this account right here, I'm up 9,500. So yeah, that's my P&L. So that's total P&L for today. $84.80 down, 0.79 profit factor, 51% profitable. Yeah, I'm not giving you guys the good stats like when I was trading the minis and I was really rocking and rolling. Yeah, but I really like those trades. I feel like I did a better job of showing you guys good trades here than I did when I first started trading the micros. Oh, and also what I should point out about that is, see, when I was up here, came down here, and this is definitely something I'm gonna have to hold myself to. When I enter a trade and I realize that I'm way too far behind, then I need to be ready to jump ship as soon as I see a signal show up in the opposing direction. So that's something that I'm gonna have to hold myself to.
Good go. Dow Jones on the twos.
Because that was the one trade. That's the one trade. The rest of my trades were
Nasdaq on the fives.
pretty good. Cause I took this long when I thought I saw a double delta. Music. I took this long when I thought I saw a double delta pop up, and I was on king timing. It didn't go the way I thought, but I immediately reversed position because what time was this? 11:03. Because yeah, so MAVI Ultimate has. Oh yeah, the MAVI Ultimate was solid red around this time. So when I saw this red headshot come up right after this play failed, I immediately entered
On the freeze.
that because MAVI Ultimate was solid red. So entry is too far behind where you know it should be. You see a signal in the opposing direction, just get out because you already messed up that trade anyway and you know it. So protect your profits. Protect your capital. What's up? It's a Abtimo. Yeah, so that was what happened with this. Otherwise, those were some really great trades. And thanks for showing up. I hope you learned something from what I was talking about earlier with the art trader stuff, and also
On the threes.
how to trade AlgoBox. Obviously, I'm not a master like Vinny Emini or Whisker9. Those guys. Who? There's somebody else. Big mini fridge in our Discord. Yo, that guy, he's killing it. Doing good. Yeah. All right. So, thanks for watching, and I'll see you all on the flip side.